Hey you guys, iGEORGEshow here. Today I'll be talking about the Optimus Maximus keyboard from thinkgeek.com. I'll have a link in the description either that way, or in the sidebar somewhere. Linking you to the page so you can check this mouse out. This mouse, it costs $1,000. Hold on, let me pull this up right here. $1,599.99 on the internet. Now you're probably asking, why does it cost that much? Well, this keyboard, if you click the link somewhere, I do not know which side of the page it is on. If you click that link, you go there and watch, and scroll down to the very bottom of the page and watch that video, or you could just even read the description of the link I provide. It is a OLED mouse or keyboard, sorry, which that means it is all the buttons on the mouse are LED. It's a USB, I think, USB mouse, so it just runs off a USB. It comes with 8 customizable hotkeys on the side, like on my mouse. I'll show you, like right here. Instead of these buttons, it extends out a little farther, about maybe that much, and has like different keys and stuff for you to program. And yeah, the reason why it costs as much, I think, that it's a really high-tech mouse or keyboard. Sorry, I don't know why I keep saying mouse, but it's a keyboard. Yeah, so it's a really high-tech keyboard, and yeah, it's pretty cool because, I mean, if I had the money, I would probably get this. I was watching on YouTube a lot of reviews that they're saying, oh my god, this is the best keyboard in the world, oh, I wish I had this, blah blah blah, stuff like that. Yeah, the operating system on it, you could run it off of Windows XP and Windows Vista, and yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, on the hotkeys, it could play a GIF image or a QuickTime movie in the key. For example, say I would like, for the time, there's a hotkey for the time. As you can see in the video provided on the website, there's a hotkey, and it shows you like an internet browser thing. So yeah, another cool feature about this mouse is that, there I go again. The keyboard is it comes with a program that allows you to, like, for example, if you want to say, like, for example, hi on your keyboard, you go open up the program and you draw like H-I, you know, and you look down and it'll draw hi on your keyboard. I found that pretty amazing for a keyboard. Comment down below on what you think of this keyboard, and also check the link provided, and tell me what you think down below. Also check out my Twitter and my website in the sidebar. I think it's over here, maybe, or maybe over there. I don't know, but whatever, it's, you know, in the sidebar somewhere, maybe over there or over there. Yeah, let me see, let me just look over there. Yeah, that's about it, you guys. Talk to you guys later. Check out my YouTube, you know, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and my Twitter link and my website somewhere over there, you know? Alright, so peace out, you guys. Bye.